Hey there, entrepreneurs. Are you ready to refresh your business and take it to new heights? Welcome to week 1 of our Business Accountability Refresh Challenge. This week, we're all about regaining perspective and setting clear goals for the next phase of our business. First, let's refresh our business goals. We're answering the question of, are these goals aligned with my updated vision? It's time to realign and set inspiring objectives that'll drive us forward in the weeks to come. Next, let's dive into our personal brands. What sets us apart from the competition? Who are our competitors? Let's refresh our brand image so that we can make a lasting impression on our audience. Finally, let's brainstorm and refresh our products or services. Are there any new ideas or improvements we can make to better serve our customer or client? These are the focuses for week 1. Let's start to regain clarity and focus on your vision, goals, and personal brand. It's time to take our business to the next level. Let's regain our perspective in business this week.